Here we go. Video. Whee!
Okay, what you gonna do, honey?
I'm gonna go down this slide here into them snow. And it's gonna be nice and cushiony like. Here we go.
Was it everything you hoped it would be?
It was the best thing ever.
Oh, you're awesome. And there's the bubbies trying to know what's going on.
Mandy!
Hi, Mandy. You got a little hole. Poor little bubby. Oh, hi, Mom. Poor little girl. Gilmo came to check out what's going on.
Yeah.
Hey, Gilmo. Oh, he's so cold. So cold, he's shaking. Oh. Maybe we should let them in.
Yeah, we'll let them in.
You go, puppy.